Day 5 of Songkran. I'm nervous as hell. Anytime you leave the house, you're taking a risk of getting drenched. I've already lost one phone to the mayhem going to the mall. I should have taken a car because everybody are still out on corners with guns and buckets of ice cold water, and they don't give a god damn. Stay in the house if you don't want to get wet, or take a car. I'm trying to get somewhere fast, meet some friends, so I took a chance and got a grab. But even the driver got on wetsuit. He at work today. He already know I'm getting wet at work. People riding around with water guns. I left my strap. Usually when you got your strap on, you can keep them off for you a little bit, but keep your head on a swivel, man. Duck the water. I'm just trying to get to the mall and get me a new phone, man. First phone got wet. So I'm gonna try to stay safe, man. Y'all pray for me. 10 days of Songkran, we 5 days in. And I'm out. 2-minute update. They got me already. Big mistake. Never take a bike during Songkran, or you're asking for it. Big mistake. I gotta go home and get my gun. I love Thailand. This type of shit they do. Big ass Eiffel Tower in the middle of the mall. Third world, my ass. Every mall 6, 7, 8 stories high. Don't take the escalator, you be on it all day. Gotta find the elevator right now. Ooh, Dairy Queen. Look at this. These big ass rubber duckies. They just be doing stuff, man. Thailand just be doing stuff, bro. They be showing out for real. Like a host. Let me try to get my phone. Something bad. They got me. Got super wet on the way here. Songkran is going crazy. If I was to come to Thailand, I would definitely come for Songkran. Bring your kids. Safe. Bring your water guns. Don't bring your water guns. They got water guns, but prepare to get wet. Bring an umbrella. Bring a wetsuit like I did. But yeah, this is just every day. Ceases to amaze me, man. Definitely not the judgment that I thought Thailand was going to be. But, you know, more to come, my man. Follow me. Just be doing fun shit. Thailand just be doing fun shit, man. Concert in the middle of the mall. Yeah, buddy. Thanks for watching, man. Hey, listen, I need y'all to go turn on my page and do it by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my page. And as always, good looking. God bless. See y'all in the next one. Yee! Every time I see you.